Okay, so this is the suitcase that I will probably be bringing, mostly because it's the only suitcase I own, and it's more convenient than an overnight bag, you know what I mean? And it feels a little more luxurious, and I'm all about making everyday experiences feel a little bit more luxurious, so I will be bringing this. Obviously, I'm only going for a couple days, so I won't be like filling it. But what I will be doing is probably filling it to come home. So we'll be getting like a ton of snacks, probably going to the thrift store, you know how it is. So I will definitely need a bag that I can like fill with stuff to come home with. My friend Alyssa actually got this for me for my birthday one year. I'm actually not sure what year, not even sure what brand it is. Let's have a look. It's by the Hees brand, or Haze, I'm not really sure, but whatever that logo means. Alright, okay, so this is the jewelry I'll be bringing. Again, super simple, nice, neutral, bringing this thrifted gold and brown leather watch, thrifted gold watch, just again, for some variety, because I have to be extra. And then a few pairs of earrings, so I've got these little dangly, like, gold rope ones. These are actually really cool. Let's just bring the whole thing to you. They're little rams. They're little ram's heads. Can you see that? That's so cool, right? Yeah, it is. You don't have to tell me, I know. Just a plain little gold necklace, and then a little gold charm bracelet, and then 2 little gold rings. Am I overpacking? Yes, I am. And I'm bringing 2 scents because I like to mix my fragrances, so I'll be mixing these 2 together. But this is the replica travel size fragrance in Jazz Club, and then I have Prada Candy, which I love using these both on their own, but I think they complement each other so well. I think these 2 actually pair really nicely together, so that is that. And that is the jewelry, and I guess I'll show you the case. It's from Target. It's meant to hold like electronics, but I use it to hold jewelry and fragrances because it does have this little pocket up here. So I just slide that in. And we're traveling by car, so I'm not super worried about these like banging around or getting lost or anything like that. I'm really not worried at all about that. So I really just fold all that in, bada bang, bada boom, and then it zips shut, and then it's all, oh, that's a zip, that's not a zipper. So then it just zips shut. You can hold like extra stuff in the front there, but I don't really need to. It's this cool like green snakeskin pattern. I don't know, I really like it. I think this is nice. Alright, so I was actually able to pack all of my outfits and clothing in this one little travel cube. This is the G-Force Travel cube. I believe I got these on Amazon. They are not the best quality, but they work for what I use them for. I don't travel often or a lot, so they work for me. I'm going to go ahead and unpack this and let you see what I am bringing on my trip here. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay, first things first, I have this gorgeous, it's so hard to show you guys, but it is just this like half trench that belts. It has its own little belt to cinch in the waist. I love this. I've got this one just in case. It's supposed to rain on one of the days, so I'm bringing this sort of to act as like a little raincoat moment. And I really do like it, and I've been living for this like stone beige color recently, and it is also Omi's favorite color, so to go along with that I have these long wide leg BCBG Max Azria trousers. They are gorgeous. I thrifted all of these clothes, by the way. These are all thrifted finds. I love these. I love these in particular because they have an elastic back and a like an actual tailored front to them. They have pockets and this gorgeous stitching. These are a size small, but obviously the elastic waist makes them pretty stretchy. And yeah, so I like these. These were such a find. When I found these at the store, I literally just like screamed basically, because like look at how gorgeous that color is, this like stone color. Again, like I said, I've been obsessed with it at the moment, and like the brands like Lord and Taylor and BCBG, like are you kidding me? And they basically match. I mean, they're almost perfect. To go along with that, I have this little top from Dress Barn. Again, it's thrifted. It's just a cream top with like ribbing on it. Very 90s. I have been watching Friends over again, so this is very much like just my Monica inspiration. I'm definitely more of a Rachel in terms of the way I dress, but I do love Monica as well. And I figured this would go with my little stone suit moment, but it would also look really nice on a hotter day or rather paired with these chocolate brown linen shorts that I actually made. I didn't make the short, well, I made them into shorts, but they started as linen culottes. They're originally by George Designs by Mark Essen, or Eisen. It has a little linen belt. I went ahead and like cuffed and hand sewed these little cuffs onto the sleeve. They are unlined, which like concerns me a little bit, but overall I really love them, and I love the little cuff that I gave them. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Can you see that? Let's give you a nice close-up of that poorly sewn cuff. But I really love these. I think they're so chic, and I think they would look really nice with the cream top. Now we're getting into like sort of my fun night outfits. So this is by Jillian Jones. This is a size small. I actually really like this, mostly because this is made in Australia and I just think that's fun. So this is just like a very 90s, this is more of a Rachel top, if you like Friends. It's like this faux wrap, kind of cropped, top that cinches in at the waist. It's a knit, but again, like I said, it's going to be kind of rainy, I anticipate, so even if it is nice and hot out, this is not too bad. It's still sleeveless, it's still pretty low cut, minus like the faux wrap here. But I really liked this. I figure with a sports bra this will be really cute, just to like cover up a little bit, because we are visiting my boyfriend's grandmother, so we're not really going for like a super fun like nightlife type vibe. We're going for like visiting grandma but still want to be stylish vibe. So that is this. And that could look cute with the shorts or the trousers as well. But just in case I want to be super edgy, I have this skirt originally from Express. This is a size 10, and I thrifted this, but it's this little faux red leather. It's not a mini skirt, it's actually like hits mid thigh, sort of closer to the knee, so it's not too, it's not exactly conservative, but it's also not like booty shorts. You know what I mean? It's good for grandma. It's good for fun day out with grandma. And if, you know, me and my boyfriend decide to have a night out while we're in Ontario, we can wear this, me and him, at the same time wearing this. Maybe, who knows. It has an asymmetrical silver zip, two pretty decently sized pockets. It's faux leather. It's brand new from Express, but I, of course, thrifted it. So I thought this would look super cute with the stripes. Again, very Rachel inspired. Again, I've been loving Friends. I'm on season 5. I've only been rewatching it for like a week, and I'm already on season 5. Am I ashamed? Yes, but the episodes are only 20 minutes long, so like that's not that bad, right? I put it on while I sew, and then I just like sew all day. So that's, you know. This is by the brand Ya Los Angeles, and to be honest, the tag looks a lot older than I think this piece is. It is a dress. It's sort of like a t-shirt dress vibe. It's got these like sort of a full black skirt portion, and then the top half is like this asymmetrical line stripe pattern, and I really like that. I really like that there's lines just on the chest area, and then the rest of it's just like a little black dress. I think that's so cute. And again, the mark of true quality is when the pattern repeats on the back. So, and let's go ahead and put it back in the cube, and I'll show you how easy it is to actually fit everything. All of these clothes fit in this little cube. Like, how cool is that? I don't know, I think that's kind of cool. I also like that I've got sort of a little, like kind of like a little vibe going on, right? Like they all kind of go together, minus like the red, but I like a little pop of color and I think it's cute. Later on this year in September, we're going to go visit his sister in Indianapolis, and we're going to be seeing Trixie Mattel, so maybe I'll bring you along to pack with me for that. because I love Trixie Mattel and I cannot wait to see her live with Katya. So if you like drag or if you like those two artists, I'm going to see them, and I have to figure out what to wear. So I want to make a video on that as well, because I have no clue what to wear. I have bought so many outfits and still none of them feel correct. None of them feel completely right for my faves. So you guys will have to leave me suggestions on what I should wear to this wonderful, amazing drag performance of a lifetime for me. Again, like I said, these aren't the nicest quality, so you see the difficulty I'm having zipping it. That's not because it's stuffed too full. That's genuinely just because the zippers are kind of garbage. But again, I'm not traveling by flight. Like, if you were going to travel by flight, maybe not recommend these, because they might fall apart on you. I don't know. But I like the little handle. I think that's really nice. So, yeah, that's this portion. If you want to see, I'm also bringing a little bag of pajamas. It's literally this. I'm bringing one set of pajamas because I'm staying for 2 nights at most and 3 days at most. So I'm not really sure when we anticipate leaving and coming home. But I have these pajamas from Lingerie Cacique, I think. They're a size large, but they are huge on me. But honestly, I kind of like that for pajamas, especially right now that I have a fake tan on. But it's just this like gold stripy pajama set. It comes with long trousers. I thrifted this again. There was a thrift store. It's closed and gone now, but I literally found so many pairs of these like beautiful silky pajamas, and I bought all of them. You know what I mean? I have them all, but that one was like my go-to. Like, it seemed like everyone donated their silky pajamas there, and now it's closed and gone and I can't go there anymore, and it makes me really sad. But I had so many good memories of that place, and I'm so bummed out, honestly. And then I have this little silk robe that I got just for like while I'm in the bathroom or while I'm freshening up or, you know, getting ready or whatever. I thought this would be nice to just have. I am all about, as I stated in the beginning of this video, having luxury experiences during my everyday life. And yeah, so that's my little pajamas. I might throw a bathing suit in here. I'm actually not. I did just thrift a few new bathing suits, so that's kind of cool. If you know me, I don't know how to swim. So let's go ahead and pack with me. So this is basically just a little makeup brush roll. I've got a couple of brushes in here, a couple of lip colors and lip oils and stuff like that. Probably won't be wearing those, to be completely honest. I just like overpacking. But again, I'll be wearing a mask anytime we're in public, so I guess like maybe if we go out to eat with her, I don't know. But I have this. I'm just gonna move that over to the side and pop this, which is my main clothing, in here. And then, so perfectly, my pajamas fit right there. And then I'll put my jewelry and perfumes there, and then my makeup brush roll right here in the corner. As for makeup, I don't usually wear foundation anymore, and that is because of my skincare bag, which none of that's going in there because I don't want it to stain my clothes if it should break or whatever. So let's go through my skincare bag real quick. I'm not gonna talk too long about these products because I've reshot this a couple times and every single time I've gone on and it's just stupid. So I am bringing the Ordinary 7% glycolic acid toner. I really like this for every other day use, and then on the days that I don't use this product, I use this product. This is the Ordinary lactic acid and HA chemical peeling solution. So I use this when I'm not using my glycolic acid. You can't use them on the same day. I like to use them on alternative days, so this is one day and then I use the other one the next day, so on and so forth. And then every single day, because I'm using those things and because you should always use one, I have the Josie Maran sunscreen. I use the old formula. I don't really know if I like the new one. And then the next products I use every single day. sometimes twice a day. So this one I use twice a day. This is the Ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. I really like this one. It is just a basic sort of moisturizing serum. I really like to sheer out my sunscreen with this. I also like to use this in conjunction at night with my Time Revolution Night Repair Pro Bio Ampoule. This is a anti-wrinkle and brightening serum. I actually just started using this a few days ago. It hasn't broken me out and it seems to be doing a good job at keeping especially my under eyes sort of crease and wrinkle free. As far as these kinds of products, there's no real way to tell if they're working or not. You just kind of have to hope. And it seems to work nicely. Then for my under eyes, I use the Caffeine Solution 5% from The Ordinary. I did not anticipate loving The Ordinary skincare as much as I truly do. I have used many different brands, many different skincare routines, and this one is so easy to keep up with. It's not a lot of products. I know it might look like it, but it doesn't feel like it to me. And then I just have some cotton pads as well. The one kind of annoying thing about The Ordinary, I guess, would be that the packaging is so minimal. So like there has been a point where like I was going to my boyfriend's for the night and I ended up bringing I brought a retinol serum instead of my rose hip oil, and that was like annoying because then I didn't have like a moisturizer because the bottles are identical for those two products. You really have to read them, and when you're leaving the house and like kind of tired or in a rush, like it's hard to make sure you have the right thing if you don't know how to read like me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on this side of the suitcase, and I'm gonna have them facing up because this is gonna be sitting on top of them because we're driving, we're not taking a flight or anything like that, so I don't really have to worry about my skincare like spilling as long as I have it sitting the right way. Then I have these two products. These are for the body, obviously. So I have my MD Solar Sciences Mineral Moisture Defense 50 SPF. This is my body sunscreen, so I don't use this on my face ever. I don't know if it would break me out, but I definitely don't like the way it feels. It is kind of greasy. Wouldn't recommend, but if you already own it, then use it. I don't know, unless it breaks you out. And then I have the Bonfire Bash from Bath & Body Works. I really love this fragrance, especially for summer. I know it's a winter scent, but I mean, it's toasted marshmallows, crackling campfires, and cozy flannels. Does that not sound like a summer night? Like, who's having bonfires in winter? Besides people that live in California. I have deodorant over here. I have a pair of sunglasses I might move into my purse. And then I have my pair of dress shoes just in case, again, we go out to eat or we go to like a mall or something. These are going to be my go-tos for that. So I like these, and they're browns. They go with my brown linen shorts. I think they'll go really nicely with the stone-colored suit. So I really like these. Then I have an empty tote bag that I've gone ahead and folded, and that is that for shopping and stuff like that. And then I just have my little shower kit. So this is the Briorgio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and then the same clarifying shampoo, a disposable razor. I have Cactus Blossom Body Wash in the travel size by Bath & Body Works. Again, I genuinely like their bath products. I don't know, I'm basic like that. And then I have the Soy Fresh Cleanser, which I really like. I used to use this every day. I used to have like the full size. I went through like 3 of them before I switched to the Coors Yogurt Cleanser. But again, like if I have a product and it doesn't like harm me, I want to use it. So I'm going to use the rest of this up. This actually used to be in my gym bag, but obviously like with the pandemic, I haven't been going to the gym like super consistently, and I definitely haven't been showering there. And that's it. I will probably pack some makeup the day of, but it'll probably just be like a concealer, a brow gel, a brown eyeshadow palette to do something basic with, and then some mascara and maybe false lashes if I'm feeling especially interested in looking very nice. And then obviously I'll be packing some undergarments and like clothes and stuff, but that isn't going in the video. Anyways, that is my suitcase. Here's what it looks like full. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And if you are traveling, please be safe. And as for me, I am going to be great. I'm going to be safe. We're going to have a fun time. We're going to visit his grandma, and we're going to have a lovely day. I hope you do too. All right. I will see you next week, guys. Bye.